You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Let's start today's release with the oil market, which is trying to find the bottom, or rather fair value, for both buyers and sellers. After an explosive growth in early 2022, the quotes of the American WTI oil grade returned to a wide range of $67 to $93. Then a narrower accumulation area of $71 to $83 per barrel was formed. After a short breakout of the upper limit of this range, WTI oil quotes were stuck in the sideways range of $68 to $78 per barrel. Please note that the lower limits of all marked ranges are located close to each other, forming a conditional support zone of $67 to $71 per barrel. Most likely, this price is the equilibrium for buyers and sellers. Nevertheless, in the last few months, the risks associated with lower demand in the United States and China have been actively discussed. Indeed, there are all prerequisites to say that the two largest economies in the world will slow down in 2024, which will lead to a decrease in the growth rate of oil demand. Please note that we are talking about slowing down the rate of increase in physical oil consumption, and not about reducing this volume. At the same time, the rate of increase in oil production in the United States may also decrease significantly. Therefore, a significant collapse in quotes remains unlikely, in the absence of changes in supply and demand. We will also pay attention to the precious metals market and, in particular, to gold. After updating the historical high in December 2023, the price was stuck in a narrowing range, indicating market uncertainty. The lower limit is near the mark of $2,015 per ounce, which performs the function of support. The upper limit is more difficult to determine, but let's call the $2,060 mark as a strong resistance level. Going beyond this range may determine the further direction of price movement in the medium term. Shifting to the cryptocurrency market, we also see the formation of a sideways movement with boundaries of 40,544 and a half thousand. There have been periodic breakthroughs of these levels, but for a significant part of the last 11 weeks, the price has been held within these limits. As you can see, oil, gold and Bitcoin form sideways, which often indicate clear market uncertainty. But also, prolonged consolidation in wide horizontal channels often ends with the formation of a stable unidirectional price movement. But it is extremely difficult to determine the direction of this movement in advance. In the case of Bitcoin, another breakdown of the 40,500 support may trigger a wave of sales. Up to this point, a bullish scenario looks no less likely. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.